Hey everybody, just 3D printed this new Fidget Cube, and let's do a visual of how it printed. Zoom in here. You can see it prints layer by layer, and boom. Let's do that one more time. Layer by layer. This thing took over 2 hours to print. Let's go to the printer and see what happened. Okay, so we got Mr. 3D printer there, and as you can see, there is a yellow. Ooh, that might be too bright. A yellow Fidget Cube there. So now what we need to do is pop that thing off the build platform. Let's see if we can do that with, I don't think I can do that with one hand. I gotta get a finger in here. Thing's stuck to the platform pretty good. Holy crap, that thing is really stuck on there. Usually it's not this hard to get these things off the build platform. Holy crikey. I use some kind of super glue to hook this thing on there. And pull it over to the edge here. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, it's coming up. Cheese and rice, that thing is stuck on there. So I've got this craft knife. It's a Cricut spatula, and it's able to get underneath the print. Usually, except this time, this thing is, holy crikey, that thing is stuck on there. Oh, here we go. We got some lifting. This is probably going to destroy my build platform. Oh, look, that's nice. At least we know the those hinges work. Ah! All right, the print has fallen into the printer, and here we go. All right, so we have new Fidget Cube. Now, as far as I know, this one has not been printed by anybody anywhere yet. I'm sorry if I'm echoing, but alright, let's see here. Let's put down some black paper here so we get some contrast. Alright, so this thing's fresh off the print bed, and it already at least works in one direction. Oh, here we go. Two directions. Should work. Oh my goodness. I think this one might be the best one I've ever made. At least right off the printer. Look at that. Holy mackerel, that thing is smooth. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, the guy who invented this doesn't even have a 3D printer to make it. So he is going to be very pleased when I post this video on his Thingiverse. Look at that. Holy cow. Oh, the thing's pretty heavy. I printed it with a lot of infill, so. The funny thing is, it only cost me 98 cents to make it, but it took over 2 hours to print it. But oh my goodness, that is nice. Nice! Alright, I think I'm going to finish up this live video and maybe print another one in a different color, because I've got lots of colors.